All of us knew how to use a camera before we started filming, however with the help of our media teacher and other students, we found lots of special features that we didn't know about before, which actually helped us quite a lot with our project. Now we all know how to work the cameras really well, so next time we make a film, it'll be much easier and less time consuming. The biggest strengths for the camera we used was that it had superb battery length, so that we could shoot our film outside of college and not rush. The quality of the camera was quite good, but in one scene it randomly cuts, and unfortunately we couldn't reshoot it because of other college commitments and the fact that we wouldn't have looked the same as we did when we shot it, so we just had to cut that part out, but it turned out to be not so important anyway. When we were shooting, it was really windy, which we didn't think much of at first, but when we were watching the film back, the audio wasn't very good in some parts, but thankfully they didn't have dialogue in them, so we just covered them up with sound effects. We used GarageBand for the sound effects, which was really easy and fun to use once we got our head around the terminology, terms and the loops and stuff. We were really happy with the software we used to create the film, which was Final Cut. Simulate the GarageBand, once we got our head around it, it was incredibly simple. We learned how to shorten our film and cut parts out, which was really effective as there was a lot of unnecessary footage. We also learned how to put special effects in, such as blurred vision and multicolours, however we only used this in our first shoot and not the reshoot as we thought it looked tacky.